Dito lang tayo matulog. No. Okay na ba? Hayop ka! Hi guys, si Ro ulit ito and welcome back sa isang panibagong horror game. Simulan na natin. Ano to? Staff ba tayo? Crew ba tayo dito? August 1983, New York City. Are we there yet? Ano to? 416. Kailangan natin ng suitcase. 416. Okay. Hello? Angas ng tunog. Ano ba to? Window ba to o pintuan? Pwede rin siyang maging ano. Pwede rin siyang maging pinto siguro. 416. 416. Nang makikita natin sa... Bawal pala siyang bumalik. Ano makikita natin sa suitcase na to? Oh! Remember to throw in my lighter top of the dresser. Okay? Okay. I'll die cool. Anything else, Your Majesty? Yeah, a crown, a cape, and maybe some... Keep dreaming. Ang ganda naman ng banter nila. Okay. Nakaledi naman pala. Okay na ba? Camera ba yan? Okay, ano pa? Ano yun? Dumi? May slingshot, casting call. So, what more? Ito, ano to? Ito. May naliligo. Kasi, yung naliligo na yun yung kausap natin. Once upon a mind. Ano yun? Done packing already? I don't take a century like you do for showers. Hey, check the table. Why? Got that slingshot from the movie set. You could, pass some time while I'm done showering. What? You want me to start target practice in here? There's that apple tree outside the window. Dare you to hit one clean. Mark, we're in an apartment, not summer camp. Come on, it's New York. No one looks up anyway. If someone complains, you're explaining. Well, okay. Let's go. Tara, mang slingshot tayo ng mga anik-anik dito. So, paano? Ayun. So, how? Paano? Ay, bobo. Pwede pala iangat. One down. Wait. Two down. Ang galing ko. Saan nagagaling yung bato? Tingala. O, diba? Okay na ba? Okay na. Wala na, okay na. Okay na. Wala ba tayong tatamaan dito? Ganun pa ba? Wala na. Doon na lang tayo. Sa O. Okay na ba? Hindi na tayo natapos. Hold E to shoot. Okay. And... Okay na. Go na. Escape. Zoom. Siguro antayin natin matapos maligo yung isa. Para ma-trigger yung next part. May apple pa ba? Wala na, diba? May delay. Apple ba to? Ay, apple nga. Ano yun? Parang wala namang kanina yun eh. Okay, may tumatawag. Sagutin natin. Yo! Hello? Finally, been calling all morning. What's going on with you? Busy trying to get back before your favorite future brother-in-law starts whining that I forgot something. Future, huh? We'll see about that. So you're really driving all the way out here? Yeah. First stop, Saranac, then Topper Lake. Maybe St. Regis when we are returning. What's the point? Why you gotta take a trip in the upstate? I just need to get out of the city for a while. And Mark, he's trying. We're figuring things out. Figuring things out by running off into the woods? Oh, Jesus, can you not? You don't have to like him, but you don't get a vote. Fine, just promise me you'll call when you reach. I'll call, relax. It's just a couple of days. Good, drive safe. Love ya. Sino yun, kapatid natin? Uy! The heck? You look very, very weird and you look like a killer. My brother is just being my brother. Everything okay? Yes, just worried. Same as always. Alright, you ready? Yeah, let's go. Talagang gabi pa talaga tayo pupunta dun, no? Oo. You're sure this is the right way? It's what the map said. Old highway saves half an hour. Looks more like it adds a breakdown. It's fine, just quieter out here. Yeah, quiet. Para may tao sa likod. That's one word for it. Do you ever think maybe there's a reason people stop using this route? Yeah, probably so the city can make more money off gas. Or because it's pitch dark. No lights, no towns, no nothing. You worry too much. Grabe ka naman, gusto mo talaga sa masano, walang ilaw. I worry exactly the right amount when you take mystery roads at night. We'll hit a town soon, if not there's always motels. Right. The kind where you check in and don't check out. Come on, it's just a road. Feels like the world just stopped out here. Yeah, that's kind of the point. My gosh. Okay. Meanwhile, a mile away at Buckley Hotel. Okay. Anong meron? Okay. Don't forget to light the hallway and clean the damn hallway, Harold. So, ibang tao na to. Okay, I will forget Margaret. Ano to? Kaninong point of view to? E? Uy! E pala. Hold left click to clean Harold. Okay, left clean. Ako si Harold ngayon. Ang tagalinis nyo ngayong gabi. Okay. Down. Oh, nice. Merong silang ano dito. Snack store. Snack vending machine. 2 down. Okay. Okay na ba? Okay na. Okay, marami tayong ano. Marami tayong... I like the fact na meron dun ano. Meron dong tutorial. Okay na? Okay na siguro. Naglinis na ako. Balik na tayo dun. Parating siguro yun mga yun sila dito. Or nakarating na? Okay, ito pa. Oh my gosh! Dinner is ready, honey. Bakit naman ganun yung brutal yung camera? Okay. Nasaan si Honey? Dito siya. Okay. Let's close that. Honey? Bakit parang Roblox ang itsura mo, Honey? E to interact. The hallway still looks dirty to me. Arte mo naman. You weren't even there. Yeah, but I just know how sloppy you are. Wag judge Sakit mo naman. You hearing me? I heard you. Harold, I only want to have some sort of conversation. Why don't you talk to me? Lo, nag-uusap na tayo kanina pa. No, you're answering. That's not the same. Huh? Ano to? Red flag ka. Red flag ka, te. You don't love me because I'm sick? Is that it? You don't love me anymore, right? Huh? Gogo. Kain na nga lang ako. The fuck? I don't wanna eat this crap. I want to eat lungs. Oh my gosh. That's one of that's hell of a jump scare, bruh. Jesus, Margaret, what the hell is wrong with you? What's wrong with me? Look at you. Oh, I'm doing everything I can. I can't just get what you want. Ano to siya? Monster ka, te? Then maybe try harder. Make me feel loved, maybe? Maybe start looking at me again? You don't even look at my face. Bro, I'm literally looking at your face right now. Which is mas okay na ngayon kaysa kanina Roblox. The fuck? Kumain ka na pala eh. What could it be? How am I supposed to know? Go check then. Yes, madam. Lahat ng gagawin ko, lahat ng kailangan kong gawin, ikaw dapat magdikta, no? Yo, my customers. Hi. Good evening. Looking for a room? Yeah, just one night. Room one's open. Actually, all the rooms are open. Haha. You should take room 1. It's closest to the lobby, you know. You're bleeding on your head. What happened? Oh, cooking accident. Plate slipped from the cabinet. Nothing dramatic. If you need anything, towels, directions, you can just knock or ring the bell here. Any diner close by. We've been on the road for hours. Not on this highway. Nearest one shut down years back. Closest foods about 15 miles up. Otherwise, it's just the vending machine outside. Guess that's road trips for you. Do you live here by yourself? No, my wife's here, Margaret. She doesn't come out much, she's sick. Prefers stay indoors. But yeah, it's just us. Must be tough, taking care of the place and her. No, not at all. Routine helps. You take care of the people you love, you know, that's what matters. Besides, it feels stranger not having her around. What a lucky lady she is. You're not married, I see. Nope. Right, well, rooms 1's ready for you. Okay. Okay. Okay, ba't ka nandyan na? They sound young. Yeah. Look like college kids. You didn't ask how long they're staying? They said one night. Looks like they are on some sort of trip. They're loud already, got on the TV. Yeah. And they're not married. Not our kind of guests. Right. You know what that means? Yeah, I understand. Good. Now wash that off your face before they start asking more questions. Ano to, sinapok mo ko kaya dumugo yung mukha ko? And just be available at the lobby. Yeah. So how do I wash my face? Here, dito ba? Okay. 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 So, kailangan ko siguro magpunas, no? Oy, ba't ganyan? Towel. Yung towel ng pinggan, ano ko sa mukha, ganun. Sige, doon ako. I guess I have no choice but to stay here. Ano pa nga bang kailangan kong gawin? Okay. Okay. Oh, madam. Madam Damin, anong kailangan kong gawin? What happened to you? You good? It's my migraines. You want something? Water? Do I bring you water, Maggie? I'm here, okay? No, Harold, it's okay. You just be at the reception. And Harold, I'm sorry. I know I'm mean toward you sometimes, but I don't mean it. It's just my sickness, honey. I feel so irritated and upset. Totoo ba? I know, Maggie. I love you a lot. It'll be fine. I know you won't be sick one day. Totoo ba yun? Feeling ko, nagmamanipulate ka lang eh. Tipong mean ka, tapos sasabihin mo, hindi ka mean na hindi mo sinasadya. Pwede na mabas? So I guess I need to wait here. Sige. Oh, inuubo si Maggie. Who's that? Hi. Rachel Price. Interact. Hey, sorry to bother you. Oh, no. It's alright. How can I help you? there's only one towel in the room. Mark's using it, so... Ah, of course, that's on me. Should have checked before you two went in. Ito yun. Freshly washed. Well, washed at least. Haha. Thanks, you always stay up this late? Sometimes motel gets quiet around this hour. Can't really sleep when it's too quiet, you know. Guess that makes sense. I go crazy here alone. Oh, I'm not alone. My wife's here, Margaret. Yeah, I know. I meant as if I were to be left alone here, you know. Someone's been smoking. Oh yeah, sorry. Mark was smoking earlier. Didn't think the smell would carry in. Margaret's sensitive to smoke. Makes her cough. She'll be fine though. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize. I will ask him to stop right away. It's alright, you two get some rest, okay? Yeah, good night. Please apologize to her. That cough really sounded really bad. I will. Hey Maggie! Are you okay? Okay ka lang? Anong pwede kong gawin? Matulungan ka? I should organize those books before Margaret gets... Okay. What books? What books? What books? Ito ba yan? Okay, E. I can finally shower then sleep in peace. Okay, let's go. The trash, honey, before it starts smelling. Uy! Ano yun? Yeah, alright. Okay. Saan ko ba ito tatapon? Saan to? Itatapon. Okay, dito. Ito. Confront him first, Harold. Yo. My man! Unbelievable. Thought your girl told you not to smoke around here. Oh hey, Mr. Harold. I came out here this time. Figured it'd be better than the room. That smoke doesn't just vanish out here. It comes in through windows and under the doors. Right. Didn't mean to bother anyone. Guess it's true. What they say, happy wife, quiet life. What's that supposed to mean? Nothing. Just my old man used to say keeping the peace costs a little pride. Guess you figured that out. Yeah, you from around here? Born here, never left. Damn, could it be me? We're trying to head west and me and Rachel, once we get married, she wants a small place by the beach or something. Married, huh? That's good. Ang daming dialogues, no, guys? Ang tagal ng action. Anyways, yeah, she deserves it. She stuck around through all my struggling actor face crap. Still does. Must mean something. Man, that bag smells like gasoline too. We burn the trash. It gets cold up here, you know. Won't that hurt your wife's lung, my friend? What'd you say? Do you think I don't know what's good for my own wife? We burn the trash. End of the story. Oh my gosh. Something will happen. I think I'm gonna kill this person in front of me. Relax, man. I understand. Night. Oh, nanulak pa. Banatang kita eh. I can finally shower now. Let's go. Whoa. Let's close the door. Okay. Honey, maligo lang ako. Bantay ka dyan. Dito ba ako maliligo? Ah, you smell like it. Like what? Smoke. That boy was smoke. That boy was at it again, wasn't he? Yeah. Said he was outside to keep it away from you. And that helps me how? It finds the way in, Harold. My chest's been tight all night. You think that's a coincidence? I told him to knock it off. Telling doesn't fix anything. You think people like that care? They just take up space, make noise, make you sick. Make me sick. He's a kid, Margaret. They're getting married soon. Married? That's sweet. You remember when we used to dream like that before it all went bad? Don't start. You let them stay and I keep getting sicker. You see that, don't you? I'm taking a shower. Yeah, run the water, pretend you don't hear me. I had to kill this filthy people myself. Huh? Sino to? Ako si Margaret? Dang it! Do I really need to So this is what the game wants me to do? No, 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 that's not right. Let's just go back. Here's... Dito lang tayo. Dito lang tayo. Dito lang tayo matulog. No. You're making me stressed, Margaret. No. We're not gonna kill someone. We're not gonna kill anyone. Shut up. Throw that knife away and let's just call it a night. Palakas ng palakas. No, 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 no. Inom ka na lang ng tubig. Uy! Yan, oh. Ano do? No, 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 no. Bitawan mo yan. Uminom ka ng tubig para lumamig-lamig naman ang ulo mo. No. Ano ba? Hindi ba talaga mawawala to? So, I guess, kailangan natin gawin? Kasi ito yung... Dito magpo-progress yung game? Pero paano? Makikita ako ng ano? Lalaki. Pag binuksan ko to, dalawa sila. Masasaktan ko yung isa. Pero masasaktan din naman ako ng isa. Well, I guess we have no choice. Yeah! Damn you! Damn you! Ikaw! Yeah! Oh, that was so stressful. Ow! Ako na ba to? Yo, my wife! Why? Where's my wife, bro? Oh, cool. Hey, what did you do, Margaret? Why do you have to scare me like that? I hope nasa isip lang ngayon, nag-hallucinate lang siya. Hindi ako makahinga, Harold. Every drug he took, it felt like it was in my lungs. Oh God, you killed them? Because of the smoke? I had to because you wouldn't. How dare you pick them over my needs and my health? My God. Now do it. Throw their bodies in the trash like you always do. Oh. So paano pa tayo magkakaroon ng customer niyan kung lagi mong tinitigbak? Paano pa yun? Ewan ko ba? Margaret, we need to talk. Kailangan natin mag-usap. Kailangan natin mag-usap. Kailangan natin mag-usap. We should stop doing that. Okay, Rachel Price. My God, Mark and Rachel. Anong ginawa mo? God. Dahil sa ganun lang? Nasaan na sila? Di ba tumakbo sila kanina dito? Baka may mumu. Shucks. Why do you have to do that? Ang bobo naman ng mga to. Press E to pick up the body. What the hell have you done, Margaret? Di ba nasa labas tong mga to? Paano sila napuntas dito? God, that was so weird. My gosh, may dugo-dugo pa sila. Ayup. Bakit kailangan mong gawin to, Margaret? Margaret G. My gosh. Bakit naman ganon? Pero it's kind of I don't know if it's a good thing na meron tayong point of view ng killer. Pero this is first time for me na ako yung nasa point of view ng kalaban. G. Yo, kaya may gas. Kaya pala may gas. Ito talaga si Margaret. Oh, ayoko nang ulitin to. Ayoko nang gawin to. Makikipaghiwalay na ako sa'yo. Clean the blood. The fuck? Clean the blood pa. Last na to Last na dapat to. Or else maghihiwalay na tayo. I'm gonna go to the police. Sasabihin ko. Paano mag-clean ng blood? To? Hoy. Paano mag-clean ng blood? I hate you, Margaret. I hate you, Maggie. Bakit ako lagi yung inuutusan mo? Hold left mouse button and wipe the blood spots.
Operator, give me 488.
Ano to? Ah, okay.
Hello, Dr. Carruthers? This is
Nangya ka?
That's right.
Ako pa talaga? Ako pa talaga ang pinaglinis mo? So, ganun na lang tayo? Uy!
Good.
Sorry. Kailangan pala, ano?
That's with the cooperation part.
Kailangan pala tuloy-tuloy. Bawal siyang putulin.
Mr. Heath, you and one shot must help her trick Dr. Carruthers into staying here as long as you can.
Where are you going, Johnny?
To, do a little private.
Ano nangyayari? Hindi na to natapos. Okay na ba? Hayop ka! Ano nangyari sa'yo? Bakit Bakit kailangan mo akong gulatin ng ganon? Oh gosh! So you're eating them! Di ba nasunog ko na yan? Maggie? I know, Han, my lungs are done. I can barely breathe. Maybe there's help. And I don't care. It's the only thing left to try. You are sick! Sick! This is the third time you have done this. Ah. Damn. Girl, nasunog na yan eh. Okay, di ka pa nakakontento ha. Nagbalik-balik ka pa ha. Bilis mo naman kumain, te. The fuck? That's so weird. That's so messed up. Oh my gosh. Who's that? Tabi ka nga. Apakan kita eh. Saan yung calling? Oh wow, this is the end of the demo! Kung nagustuhan niyo to guys, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe kung gusto niyo pa ng more horror games from me. Yung nasa taas yan lahat ng horror games na nalaro ko and yan lang muna sa araw na to. Kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na video.